had to go get coffee today for research purposes. Seriously though, I needed one of these. I'm gonna use it as a template to make my next Dollar Tree project. For this project, we're going to use a placemat and a fleece scarf for the batting and some Velcro. We're making a cup cozy for 93 cents. Great thing about these placemats is you have a main and a lining all in one. It's a twofer. I simply laid the template down and cut 1/2 inch outside of the template the whole way around. I did that for the fleece and on the placemat front and back pieces. Take your Velcro and cut a 2-inch piece, and you're going to place one piece on the backing and you're going to place the other piece on the front on the opposite side. So when it wraps around, it'll attach. Attach that Velcro by sewing around the perimeter of each piece. Then take your front and your back and lay them pretty sides together and lay that batting on top. Pin the whole way around or clip and leave a little space at the bottom where you can turn it out when you're done. Just sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way around except that bottom area. Trim your corners and then it's time to turn the whole thing right side out. I like to use a plastic knitting needle to pop those corners out and make them look really crisp. Take the whole thing to the ironing board and press it down, but just use a light heat setting because you don't want to melt anything. You know what? You're doing a great job. So a little top stitch around the perimeter and then it's time to test out your coffee cozy. Here's the true test. Let's see how this sucker does. It fits like a glove and it's so much nicer on my hand than cardboard. I'm thinking like end of year teacher gifts, you could give one of these with a really nice gift card to Starbucks or their favorite coffee place. Like and follow for more.